Unlock the secret to effortless photo transfer and never lose a precious memory from your Canon EOS 2000d again. First, locate the small, rectangular USB port on the side of your camera. It's usually covered by a protective flap. Carefully open this flap to expose the port, ensuring you don't force it. Next, take your camera's USB cable. One end, typically the smaller, squarish one, connects to this port on your Canon 2000d. Insert the small end of the cable into the camera's port. It should fit snugly. Now, take the larger, rectangular end of the USB cable and plug it into an available USB port on your computer. You'll likely hear a sound indicating a new device has been connected. After a moment, your computer should recognize the camera. You might see an autoplay window pop up or a notification prompting you to take action. If an autoplay window appears, select the option to open device to view files or import pictures and videos. If not, simply open your computer's File Explorer or Finder and you'll see your camera listed as a removable drive, often labeled EOS_digital. Double-click on this drive to open it. Inside, you'll typically find a folder named DCIM, which stands for Digital Camera Images. Open this folder. Within DCIM, you'll see another folder, often named 10CANO, and this is where your photos are stored. Double-click to view your images. Now, you can select the photos you wish to transfer. You can drag and drop them to a new folder on your desktop, or right-click and choose Copy, then paste them into your desired location. Once your photos are safe on your computer, remember to safely eject your camera from your computer before disconnecting the USB cable to prevent any data corruption. And there you have it. Your precious memories are now securely transferred. For more tips on managing your photography, subscribe and stay tuned.